Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about number system and specifically we are going to represent root 2 on the number line. Okay, so let us start. First what we need to do is, first we need to draw one line. So I'll write down draw XO X bar and mark O as 0. Okay, now I'll be talking about taking unit because this is root 2. So if I take 1 centimeter, then it will be very small. Okay, so we are going to take 1 unit as, see here, for example, this is 1 unit. Okay, I am going to take 1 unit as 3 centimeter. Fine, so 1 unit is 3 centimeter. So I'll be marking like this. If this is my 0, so 3 centimeter will be here, but we'll consider this as 1 unit. Okay, so make sure that you understand this point over here. So let us begin. So first of all, let us draw the line. Okay, now as it is mentioned over, as I have explained, I'm going to take 3 centimeter. Okay, so for example, if this is my 0, okay, so 1, 2, 3, this point. Fine. Similarly, what I have to do, I have to draw one perpendicular also, and this also I am going to take 1 unit. Remember, 1 unit means 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and then this is 3 centimeter. Okay, so I'll just put a mark over here and extend the line. Understood? This will be your first step. Okay, so what you have to do next is to draw a perpendicular AB. Okay, then what I have done is I have just marked OA and B. This is the 0 over here, and we are going to represent 2. Okay, so what we have goes to 3 centimeter. So this is 3 and this is 3, but we'll consider this as 1 unit. Okay, so what you have to do now is you need to join O and B. Fine. So this is how much? This is 1 unit and this is also 1 unit. So according to Pythagoras theorem, so we can calculate OB square. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find OB. OB square is nothing but OA square and AB square. So what is my OA? 1 square plus 1 square. So this will be 1 plus 1. This will be 2 over here. So therefore OB square equals to 2. Therefore OB will be under root 2. Okay, so this OB is what? Under root 2, and this is what we want. Now we need to represent this under root 2 on the number line. मतलब क्या, ये जो OB है ना, उसे हमें इस number line पर represent करना है. Fine. So I'll just give you one example. See, अगर जैसे ये circle है, right? Let's say this is 1 centimeter. I'm drawing like this. This is like, let's say 1 centimeter. Okay, so the distance from this point to this point is 1 centimeter. Now if I ask you to draw this length, okay, here on the number line, what you have to do, you have to just take the distance and put the mark over here. So what will be this distance? This distance will also remain the same because this is the radius. Okay, in the same way, what we are going to do, this is root 2. Okay, so you have to keep your compass like this. I hope you have got this. Okay, so this point is root 2 on the number line. So we'll write down the final statement as, we'll give this name as C. Therefore, OC equals to root 2. Okay, so this will be your answer. I hope you have understood this. Okay students, now we are going to continue with root 5 on the number line. Okay, so let us start. What we first need to do is, we'll first make the horizontal line. So we'll write it down. Draw X, O, X bar and mark O as its origin. Okay, so let us draw that part first, and then I'll be talking about the units. Okay, fine. So this is X bar. Let this be O and this be X. Okay, fine. Now what we need to do over here is, this is 0. Okay, now as you can see, root 5 is given, and we want root 5 as the hypotenuse. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take 1 unit equals to 3 centimeter. 1 unit as 3 centimeter. Okay, so now just pay attention over here. This is 1 unit and this is the second unit. Fine, so I'll just put a mark over here, and in the same way I'm going to just take 1 unit over here. I'll tell you why I'm doing this. See, this is how much? This is total 2 units, and this is total 1 unit. So what will be the hypotenuse over here? This will be 2 square plus 1 square. So what is 2 square? 2 square is 4. What is 1 square is 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So what we are going to take? We are going to get root 5. So if I combine this, so this will come out as root 5. Now the next step will be, I'm just explaining you a little bit and then I'll be doing it neatly in the main page. So this distance is root 5, and then we just need to do it like this. So this point on the number line will represent root 5. I hope you have understood this. Let us try to do the same thing here on the main page. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 unit as 3 centimeter. Fine, so till here. Okay, then I'll be taking 1 unit here. I hope you can see this. Fine, so I'll just write it down. This is 2 units and this is 1 unit. Okay, now we are going to join this. OC fine, this is 1. So let us calculate by using Pythagoras theorem what will be OC. And by the way, this is perpendicular, so this will be 90 degree. Okay, so just make sure that you put a 90 degree sign over there. So using Pythagoras theorem, what we will get OC square as OB square plus BC square. What is my OB? OB is 2 square and BC is 1. So this will be 4 plus 1 and this will be 5. So OC will be root 5. OC will be root 5. Okay. So let us now draw the graph. This is root 5. Okay. Now we need to represent root 5 on the number line. Okay. Fine. So this point is root 5. I hope you have understood this. So we'll just all you can see here. So this will be D. So OD represents root 5 on. Okay. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.